Hey guys, here at osmvdxreviews.com. What you're watching here today is the Ginna Magic Lamp. This is actually produced by a company called Targo, and this will be available at a lot of different retail locations at most home decoration stores. You can also find it online at amazon.com. It's one of the most unique lamps I've ever seen, and that's why I'm reviewing it today. Now, in terms of the actual lamp, in terms of advertisement on the box, you'll see that it says Ginna Magic Lamp by Targo, and it also has automatic moving on it, which indicates that the device will actually move, swivel, and project different images onto the walls of the lamp. But it doesn't really tell you how it automatically moves. It just says automatically moving and $30. I will gladly tell you now that the movement is actually not powered by what you might expect it to be powered by. It's not powered by a motor of any type. Instead, it's just powered by the laws of physics and nature. Now, as the light bulb gets more and more hot, heat will be, moving upwards. And as a result, it actually pushes the blades of a paper fan and lets it gyrate and rotate. On this fan actually contains slides of these different animals, and as it spins, it will project these slides onto this paper film wall of the lamp, and as a result, make it an automatically moving lamp image. The design and concept of this is really clever, and it really is a really unique piece of decoration. And it also has different designs, which you can change the slides, which is paper slide you can take out to make it project at different stuff like solar systems. You can project it for animals, the aqua system that I have right now, or you can use it for Halloween purposes and use it as a Halloween styled lamp for seasonal holidays and stuff like that. They sell these different templates that you can interchange. I think that's pretty cool. Now, the light bulb itself is powered by this unique proprietary light bulb called Satco, and this light bulb produces more heat than normal because in order to actually make the fan spin, it has to get very hot very quick. And this is one of the most interesting points of this design is this light bulb. It's very proprietary, it's very round, and this is one of the most worrying parts of this design also. It's because if this light bulb goes out, the hours go out, and I'm afraid that I can't repair this as cheaply as I want to, and I might be forced to just get a different lamp altogether rather than get a replacement light bulb, because the light bulb is more expensive than a regular light bulb. With that said, again, the clever integration of the actual spinning automatic part and the actual visual effects of this lamps are very strong, and for that, we do think it's unique and worthwhile if you're interested in something like this to check out. Of course, the images aren't as sharp as what's shown on advertisements. It's a little bit more fuzzied out, and especially as it moves along, things get a little bit more interesting. They get a little slower, and they get most crisp in the middle, and then the slides kind of transition out a little bit fuzzy. In terms of light, it is pretty bright, but it's more like a night light or a party light style of brightness. It's not too overly bright, and it's going to be as strong as a traditional light is going to be. For example, if we turn off our film light right now, you'll see that this is the effect that's going to be, outputted. If we turn off the actual lights, the fan will actually cool. So let's turn that off. And we'll actually get to see the slide that's spinning underneath and show you how this device works. Out of the box, it has this metal construction frame, which is pretty strong and sturdy. The four sides are made of this paper material. It's kind of fragile, so be sure you don't rip that. And basically, you have to install a light bulb yourself. The fan just basically sits up here like so. I can just remove it. It just bounces on top of this little contact point, and then, it's easy for it to move around by the venting, the heat going up, and it's going to spin. Of course, the slides are actually built into the paper itself, and you can see the colors on here are already predetermined. It's pretty cool. And then the light bulb just sits in the middle, like so. And that's pretty much it. It just works like that. It's very simple in how it works, but also it's very unique. It's unpredictable. I thought this would be a motor-based spinning automatic light, but it's not. It's just based on heat. And so you can check this out. It's a Ginna Magic Lamp by Targo that's available. If you can find one, I definitely would try and purchase one if it's under $20. Thanks for watching here at osmvdxreviews.com.